I'm going to test these two remote controls. The first one I'm going to check is this one here. Now if you set your mobile phone to camera and point the front of your remote control to the lens of the camera and press one of the buttons, and you should see, if it's working correctly, you should see an infrared light coming out. If I take the other remote control here and do the same, press one of the buttons, you might find that it doesn't work. Now both of the units are actually working. If I press one of these buttons here, you can see that green light comes on, so at least that proves that part of it's working. Now the reason why you can't see it is because it's being transmitted in radio waves and not infrared. And the reason why they do that, have to have a line of sight. That means you can have your equipment hidden behind a wall or in a cupboard, and you can then still control your equipment. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.